Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to get Universe ID on Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, what you're going to be doing is that let's say you select a game of your choice, and once you do, what you're going to be doing is that simply head over to a new tab, and in there you're going to be simply pasting this particular link. So I'm going to be simply pasting that. So you can see we have this particular link going on. You can simply see that as well and copy that. So let me just show you. So you can see you have this link in here. You're going to be typing that onto your browser, and once you do, you're simply going to be pressing enter, and this will lead you to this pastebin website, as you can see in here. And we have a special link going on in here. So as you can see in here, if you can see, you can simply need to copy this entire link. Just copy that, and you're going to be pasting that onto your URL. So simply paste that in here, and what you're going to be doing is that simply, let's say you select any game of your choice from here, and after selecting that, you'll be able to see that in the URL section we have its code. So as you can see in here, we are having this code. You're going to be simply copying that, simply select that and copy, and now you're going to be pasting that onto this placeholder. So you can see we have this placeholder in here, and we're going to be pasting that in here. So let me just paste that. So select this entirely, make sure that you select brackets as well, and now we're going to be pasting the code. So let's say this particular code is there, and press enter, and you can see we have some lines going on in here. And now if you have a look in here, you have Universe ID as well, so you can simply copy that and use it. So that's a pretty simple process to get the Universe ID on Roblox, and I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did so, make sure to consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.